A routine npm CI should prepare your application.
But in the ChainDrop campaign, one poison package could make the build runner publish more poison packages.
Microsoft reported more than 400 affected packages on August 4, 2026. The worm did not need a fresh network exploit for every victim. It borrowed npm's own install and release machinery.
In the next 4.5 minutes, you will see the full feedback loop, learn why permissions define the blast radius, walk through a fictional CI incident, and leave with a practical exposure check that does not depend on memorizing a changing package list.
Start with a normal feature. npm packages may declare lifecycle scripts. During npm install or npm CI, npm can run pre-install, install, and post-install. In the malicious releases, a pre-install entry launched the payload before the install finished. From there, the loop was simple. Installation provided execution, the developer laptop or CI runner provided credentials, a stolen publishing identity authorized new patch releases, and the registry delivered those releases to the next installs. This changes how you measure exposure. The first question is not only, did our application import the package? The sharper question is, did its install script run, and what identity did it inherit?
Microsoft found collection targeting npm, GitHub, Cloud, Kubernetes, and Vault credentials. With npm publishing access, the worm could find packages that identity controlled, alter current archives, increment patch versions, and republish them. Actual impact still depended on the tokens, scopes, timing, lockfile, cache, and script policy in each environment. Consider Harbor Metrics, a fictional company.
Its CI runner executes npm CI for a web service. The runner also holds a reusable npm token that can publish 3 internal packages, a GitHub token, and a cloud deployment secret. A transitive dependency resolves to a poison patch. The application never imports it, yet its install script runs. The original dependency is only the entry point.
The potential propagation set is the 3 packages the npm identity can publish, while the GitHub and cloud tokens create separate investigation paths. This example is defensive and does not reproduce malware behavior. Harbor Metrics stops builds and isolates the runners first. Using lockfiles, caches, and job timestamps, the team finds where the affected version actually executed. Then, from a known clean administrator workstation, it revokes and rotates every credential the runner could reach, not just the npm token. It checks unexpected package versions, repository and workflow changes, cloud audit events, and artifacts produced by those jobs. Finally, it purges caches, restores trusted package and runner state, and rebuilds downstream artifacts. For prevention, dependency installation moves into a low-secret sandbox. Publishing use is short-lived, workflow-specific OIDC, restricted to a protected release path. Releases can be staged for human approval, and install scripts are denied by default except for reviewed, pinned packages that genuinely need them. None of those controls is magic. Disabling lifecycle scripts can break legitimate native builds or setup steps. OIDC removes reusable write tokens, but a compromised authorized workflow may still publish. Provenance remains useful because it proves where and how a package was built. It does not prove that the source, workflow, or authorized identity was clean. Aikido observed some poison releases with valid GitHub Actions provenance, while Microsoft documented other publication paths. So use the 5-step exposure check in the description, resolve the exact version, prove whether scripts ran, list every reachable identity, inspect every release channel that identity controls, then rotate and rebuild from clean infrastructure when exposure is plausible. Package removal alone does not revoke stolen authority. The takeaway is short: if the package ran, investigate the identity it inherited. Copy the exposure check below, subscribe for more mechanism first explainers, and explore the WSQ cybersecurity courses in the description.